how to open up PNC bank account, online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can register for online banking on PNC Bank, meaning that you must already have a bank account to register for online banking. So you want to make sure to simply watch the video till the end. Now, if you have an existing account on PNC Bank and now you want to create your online banking account to be able to make transactions online, it is very simple to do that. All you have to do is just go to pnc.com website. As I make sure that I'll also make sure to drop a link down in the description box. Once you go to pnc.com, you'll basically land on this website right over here. Now, all you need to do is on the top right hand side, you'll find this little button that says sign on, right? So just go ahead and then click on the sign on button. And once you click on the sign on option over here, you will be able to successfully enter your login details if you have already registered for online banking. But if you don't, then here you'll find the option called enroll in online banking. So I'm just going to click on that option. And as I go to enroll in online banking account, it will automatically redirect me to the next page where first of all, I have to select the ID type I want to use to confirm my identity. So it could be your social security number, your tax identification number, your employer identification number, your PNC online or voice banking user ID, whatever else is convenient for you. And once you enter those, make sure to enter your account information, such as it could be your debit card number or it could also be your PNC bank's account number. So as I said earlier, that you need to have your existing bank account on PNC or else you will not be able to register for online banking. Now after that, it says verify information. Select one of the following options, which is your PNC debit card pin, or enter your online access pin, or receive a one-time passcode sent to your phone. Whatever else is convenient for you, you just want to make sure to follow the instructions accordingly and just hit next. After that, it will take you to a new page where you can simply enter your username and your password, verify the OTP code, and then after that you should be able to successfully register for online banking account. And that's all it takes to register for online banking and open up online banking account for PNC Bank. But wait, do not click away just yet. You watching till the end of this video definitely means that I have succeeded in providing some kind of value to you. If this video helped you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, make sure to comment down. As always, hands on head, salute.